Are you really making profit from your pig farm, or are your pigs secretly eating all your money? Most farmers don't even know. The truth is simple. If you don't keep records, you're just guessing. Today, I'm going to show you how proper record keeping in pig farming, tracking feed costs, mortality, growth rates, and profits, can turn your farm from struggling to successful. Stick with me till the end because I'll even share the exact simple method I use to calculate profit per pig. Let's dive in. Why record keeping is the farmer's secret weapon. Without records, you can't know if your farm is growing or failing. Farming is like business. You need to see your expenses and income. Records protect you from waste, theft, and poor decisions. Imagine you spend money on feed, labor, and medicines, but at the end of the year, you don't know if you made profit or loss. That's like driving a car with your eyes closed. Key benefits: helps you identify which pigs are growing well, helps you calculate true feed conversion ratio, FCR, shows you if mortality is eating into your profits, helps you plan ahead, when to sell, how much to invest, and what to change. Record keeping for feed costs. Feed is 70% of pig farming cost. Keeping track of feed is the #1 way to know your profit. Steps to record feed costs. Record the amount of feed bought in kilograms or bags. Record the cost per bag/kilogram. Record how much is given daily to pigs. Calculate total feed used per pig until selling. Example: 1 bag of pig feed equals 50 kilograms. Cost equals $25. 1 pig eats 250 kilograms until market weight. Feed cost for 1 pig equals $125. Just a small notebook and a pen can save you thousands of dollars. Every time you feed your pigs, record it. Don't trust your memory. Mortality records. Death of pigs equals direct loss of money. Without recording mortality, you don't know how much profit you lose. How to record mortality. Date of death. Pig's age/weight at death. Possible cause: disease, accident, weak pig. Example: if you start with 20 piglets and 5 die before market, that's a 25% loss. If each pig sells for $200, that's $1,000 gone. Most farmers cry when pigs die, but they don't record it. Don't just cry, write it down. It will help you know if you need better management, better feeding, or better health care.
Wait, before we proceed, if you've been enjoying my videos and you want to keep learning about pig farming and other farming opportunities, I invite you to my WhatsApp platform. There, I share extra tips, answer questions, and create space for farmers to support one another. Just check the comments section or the description. Click the link and join us today.
Growth rate records. Growth rate equals how fast pigs increase in weight. A slow-growing pig eats more feed but gives less money. With records, you'll know if your pigs are growing at the right speed. How to record growth. Weigh pigs every 2 weeks or every month. Record starting weight, current weight, and average daily gain, ADG. Formula for ADG. ADG equals current weight minus starting weight over number of days. Example: piglet starts at 10 kilograms. After 120 days, pig is 70 kilograms. ADG equals 70 minus 10 divided by 120 equals 0.5 kilograms per day. Why important? Fast growth equals more profit. Slow growth equals feed waste. Profit records, 1430 to 1830. This is where the magic happens. Calculating profits. Steps to record profit. Record all expenses: feed, drugs, labor, housing, electricity. Record all income, sale of pigs, manure sales, etc. Subtract expenses from income equals profit. Example for one pig. Feed cost equals $125. Medicines equals $15. Labor plus housing share equals $10. Total cost equals $150. If pig sells at $220, profit equals $120, $70. See how clear it is? Without records, you might think you made big money, but after calculating, you realize you only made $70 per pig. Knowledge is power. Tools for record keeping. Simple tools: notebook and pen, wall chart with dates and figures, calculator, digital tools for advanced farmers, Excel spreadsheets, farm record keeping apps. Don't wait for a fancy app. Start with what you have. The most important thing is to be consistent. How to start your record keeping today. Create sections in your notebook: feed, mortality, growth, profit. Write down today's date and feed given. Start weighing pigs monthly. Review your records every month to see progress. Farmer example story. A farmer I know started with 10 pigs but had no records. He thought he was making profit. When he finally calculated, he realized he was losing $200 every cycle. After keeping records, he adjusted feed and healthcare, and now he makes $50 profit per pig. That's the power of records. Conclusion. Pig farming is not just about feeding pigs and waiting to sell. It's a business, and in business, records are everything. Start today. Track your feed cost, record every mortality, weigh your pigs and calculate profits. Within a few months, you'll see where your money goes and how to grow your farm wisely. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more pig farming tips, and share this with a farmer who needs to hear it. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Don't just farm, farm smart.